everyone, we're going to find an equation of the tangent to the curve at the point corresponding to theta equals pi divided by 6 for our parametric equations. So first, let's differentiate our y with respect to t. So, or with not t, but with theta. So derivative of y with respect to theta is going to equal this one. So that's going to be 3 cosine squared of theta times the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine of theta. All right, and then derivative of x with respect to theta equals the same thing basically, but with the opposite. So it's going to be 3 sine squared of theta, this is where we're at right now, times derivative of sine, which is cosine of theta. All right, for our derivative of y with respect to x, that just equals derivative of y with respect to theta divided by derivative of y, derivative of x with respect to theta. So we just divide these two. So simplifying all this, we're going to get, negative 3 cosine squared of theta sine of theta divided by 3 sine squared of theta cosine of theta. Now, looking at this, let's simplify. The 3's will cancel out. Cosine squared divided by cosine is just cosine. So you have negative cosine and sine of theta, and then we have sine squared theta, so this is going to be just sine of theta. So basically this just equals negative cotan of theta. All right, now that we have that, we have our angle is at pi divided by 6. So therefore our xy, if you substitute in pi divided by 6, your x right here is going to be 1 divided by 8. So don't forget we have to cube it. And then our y is going to be 3 divided by 8 square root of 3. And that's just substituting in pi divided by 6. And then our derivative of y with respect to x just equals negative cotan of pi divided by 6, which is negative square root of 3. So we can write an equation of the line now and substitute in our x and y and our slope there, gradient. So let's do that. We're going to get y minus 3/8 square root of 3 equals negative square root of 3 times x minus 1/8. Now, this is going to simplify to y equals negative square root of 3x. And then we're going to have plus square root of 3 divided by 8. And then we have to add this plus 3/8 square root of 3. So we can add these two up. So this is going to give you y equals negative square root of 3 divided by, or just square root of 3x. I always think 2 steps ahead. Square root of 3x. This is going to be 4 square root of 3 divided by 8, which is just going to equal 1/2 square root of 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.